Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeption Mutai here. In this video, I'll share with you how clients apply carrot and stick policy to induce freelancer excellence. Keep watching. Hi. This is Jeption Mutai, freelance and business. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. This is based on more than 7 years of experience freelancing online and running a small video production company here in Nairobi, Kenya. I hope the information I'm going to share with you here will be of value to you. If you are here for the first time, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, let's get into today's video. History of carrot and stick policy dates back to 15th century and was applied to the conduct of the Chinese during the Ming treasure voyages. The phrase carrot and stick is a metaphor which refers to the combination of reward and punishment in order to induce a certain behavior. This is a motivational approach that top hiring managers use to achieve the best of every freelance talent or creative they engage in their project. If the carrot and stick approach is appropriately used, it will bring the best of any creative talent, but if overexploited, it will turn the good intention to slavery and exploitation of labor for services being offered. Remember the definition of carrot and stick above? The client will make you do a lot of hard work with a promise of good reward for excellence. It thus takes me to the history of most freelancers. A lot of freelancers who are rated highly in a particular niche learned their skill at work. They are self-taught. They started as beginners with mega pay. Those who are lucky to meet the best clients while at their early stages of freelancing grew to become highly on demand. The best clients in this case can turn anything to gold. They create different carrots to pull the freelancer to deliver their best within their set budget. Here are a few rewards used by the clients that can be referred to as carrot in the stick. It can either make you great as a freelancer or blind you if you don't have a vision of what you want to achieve in your career. There is nothing wrong with bonuses. I mean, it's a free carrot for excellence. Moreover, how many clients are kind enough to give you bonuses these days after you've completed a contract? This said, a competent freelancer should learn from this and see if they can package the bonus they were given when offered a new contract by a different client and charge as an extra service. Before you go ahead and do so, ask yourself what made the client offer you the bonus. Do you offer extra revisions on video or designs? Did you work for extra hours without billing the client? While such extra miles that you take is often treated as a gift to the client, it should also be looked at in a business perspective. You can then apply them to those stingy clients who never see the extra hours you spend to give them the best quality. Also, sometimes it costs money to go extra mile, and being rewarded for it should be taken seriously. Most freelancers will agree with me on this. Let's say you have completed a project as per the client's description. When you deliver it, the client requests for revisions. You are okay with it as you want to satisfy him or her. After 5 rounds of revisions, you realize that the requests are becoming too much and you start to question why. The client first declines to say anything and keeps requesting for more changes. Noticing that you are persistent, he or she apologizes for ignoring you at first and starts explaining to you why you should make the changes. He says that their company is made up of a big team and only you can get paid on approval by the company director, which is a time-consuming process. Looking back, you have no option but to do as they say. When finally they approve the project, they praise you and promise to assign you a lot of work more. While you are happy that they still want to work with you on another project, you are afraid of complying with their carrot and stick policy the next time they hire you. Good news is that you can bend the policy by restructuring your terms. When they are ready to set new milestones, you can bring in your terms to accommodate the past conditions. For example, introduce a charge for a certain amount on additional extra revisions after the 5th revisions. This is something I have practically applied and it works. This is a very common in media and design industry. You give your best knowing that many people will watch the video or see the designs you work on. Most definitely, one of them will like what they see and follow up to know who did it. Question is, how sure are you that they will refer them to you? That is why professionally in video production, it's highly ethical to include names and contacts of the production company on credits at the end if it was a video. This way, if someone watching the video wants the service, they can reach out to you directly for help. On the other hand, doing the donkey job with a promise to get referrals in return is not fair. It's thus important to set your limits and ensure that no one exploits you in any way. There is a price for everything. There is a price you pay when starting up as a freelancer. Give your clients unlimited revisions on tasks that you know you can complete them yourself. However, don't spend your money to go an extra mile to do work in the name of revisions. You'll be playing too hard to get the carrot in the stick. If it costs money to make a certain revision, for example, voiceover revisions for video you are producing, let your client know of the cost implications. You will be surprised to learn that serious clients don't play the carrot and stick on such costs. Don't give your client a reason to intimidate you. Just do what you can do your best. At your early stages of career, go out of your way so that you can grow. Once you have a name, start reviewing your limits by putting a price tag on it. This happens mostly to actors, musicians, and spokespersons. If someone is talented, when they are starting up, a lot will be required of them. In return, they'll get half the pay with a promise of exposure. This is an idea that was borrowed from carrot and stick policy. Now, before you take any action as a freelancer, analyze the situation. Is the exposure worth it? Is the work linked to a popular brand? Some brands are very popular and you being associated with them will be worth it. Do your research and know their rates. That way, you will know how to negotiate when offered an opportunity. When you do this, you will be in full control of the situation. In conclusion, always update your terms based on how demanding the client is. For instance, if after giving your all and the client wants revisions, set a limit on the number of you can offer. For example, I offer 3 rounds of revisions for free, then put a cost on any revisions after that. Tell your client upfront when delivering the first draft of the project. This way, they'll be careful because they want to save money. And that is it from me here. Do you know of any other way clients apply carrot and stick policy on any project? Let me know in the comment section below here. If you guys have any more questions related to freelance and business, make sure you guys comment down below here and head over to my YouTube channel for more informative videos on the same. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. But most importantly, have a great day and thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Jeption Mutai. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.